Hey guys, Bratty Biker here. Hope you're all doing well. Welcome to the channel. I know I'm very much visibly tired, but that's okay. This is just a quick update video regarding what's going on with the restoration process of my 1997 Yamaha RXD. It's been over a month. I've uploaded two videos, I think. One was stripping the bike, another was stripping the engine. And right now, I just want to give a quick update that I've completed building the engine and I've sorted out all the parts, as you guys can see right now. As you guys can see, this beautiful engine has been completely rebuilt. More information will follow soon. This is not a stock build. If you guys have a sharp eye, you can quite easily spot that the magnet rotor is different, the head has been buffed, and the carburetor is also very different. So this is not a stock build. A lot of very nice mods have been done to it, and I'll explain it on the rebuild video which is coming very soon. Apart from the engine, all the other parts that are supposed to go on this motorcycle is sitting here on this giant box. So this is actually our old exhaust. It has been electroplated. I'll share a picture of all the parts that have been electroplated. I think they did a great job. Apart from that, this cover, it houses all the bolts, nuts and bolts. I've also gotten a set of Allen bolts which I'll be using, and here you have some brake parts, and here is your number plate clamp, the one from the Yamaha Entizer. Here is a Shogun handlebar that I electroplated this time. I also have another handlebar that I've given to get it painted as black, and here is your top box, and this is a sticker that I made for my subscribers, my viewers. This is absolutely free for all. So if you like this sticker, you guys can get it from me directly. Just follow me on Instagram and message me your address. I'll just ship it over to you for no cost at all. You can stick this anywhere. You can stick this on your helmet or anywhere on your motorcycle. You know, your imagination is the limit. And this is a top box, and to place this top box, I've also gotten a rear carrier type grab rail. So that has also been electroplated. It's sitting underneath. And this is a Hero Honda CD Dawn headlight system. It has a H4 socket, so due to the upgraded ignition and the upgraded lighting present on this engine, we can also confidently use a more modern lighting system. So here is the old wiring, and here is the new one, so I have to color match and stuff. And this is a Trailtech system, Trailtech consoles parts. So this is also very special. More information will come as I progress with the rebuild. Here's a couple of your stock parts like your inner mud guards and couple of brake parts. Here is a knee guard, a leg guard. I really don't use that at all, but you know, just for FC purposes, I think I have to have that. Here's your old meter console, and this seat was gifted to me by my dear friend Abhishek Gurikar from Bangalore. And here you have a couple of carburetor parts, and I've also kept this RXZ central locking system. One cool thing about it is that we'll be using one key for all the locks. So RXZ central locking system, but all the other locks like the helmet lock is from the RX100. All the other locks like the toolbox lock, all these things are one key only. So you don't need to have a couple of keys. Just one and a duplicate would be fine. So that's a very cool thing. It's been matched and done custom made. So that's awesome. Apart from that, yes, all the remaining parts like petcocks and monograms and all these things. You guys can see the Yamaha down there. So all these things are present. Even my GoPro is sitting inside here. So that is there, and you guys can see the chain sprocket there. This is actually a different kit. This is an X-ring kit. It's not your stock one. This is gold. It looks like gold brass basically. It looks very nice, and apparently it's a lot better than the usual O-ring kit that we get. So everything here is ready. One thing that I can do with all this is that I need to do the wiring work because of all these extra wiring stuff, all these custom things like this kill switch from I think this is from a Fiero, I'm not exactly sure. So all these things I need to wire, I need to custom make the wiring so that it will all suit for my motorcycle specifically. So yes, so many things are happening, and this is why I've been delaying things, because not much has happened for a long time, and I'll explain why in the next clip. So as you guys saw, the engine is ready. It looks beautiful. It looks gorgeous. I just buffed the head, and I also painted the block black, and I've buffed the fin edges. So it has a sort of an RD cylinder look. it looks amazing. But the bottom half will be on silver to emphasis on the stock theme. There's a couple of small mods. Within the engine, mechanically, there are many mods. I will be using a 5-speed gearbox, and I'm going to use an Allied Electronics digital dynamic ignition system. So that's also a very nice thing. It will advance and retard the ignition timing. The block is re-sleeved. I've made a video regarding that. It's been beautifully done by my dear friend Darshan from Powerband Customs. So he's been wonderful on getting this block ready. It was just taken from scrap and everything was done. You guys should check out that video. It's amazing. He's done a beautiful work. And I got an Izumi piston, good SKF bearings, HTA oil seals, all the good stuff. So these things are coming along. I'm changing the clutch bell, primary gear also to the 135's clutch bell and primary gear. All these things I'll detail on the rebuild video. It's coming very soon. I'm sorry for the delay. It's just that I've made so many mistakes during the engine build. This is the first time that I'm doing it. I don't really have any experience doing it, so I'm bound to make mistakes. So I'll just be editing out those things and make sure that it's nice. It's a nice, smooth build video. But please don't assume that it's going to be that easy, especially if you don't have any experience, working with it. It's definitely you're going to make some mistakes and, you might need to redo things. Apart from the engine, that giant box has everything in it. All the parts that are supposed to go on the chassis, everything is there. The chassis, a couple of parts like the hub, the fork legs, these things I've given for painting, the swing arm and stuff, I've given for painting. Unfortunately, there's been a slight delay. I hope to get them back at least before the end of this month. And I hope to get the bike ready before the end of August. So I'm really, fingers are crossed there. Apart from that, on a more personal level, I'm just going to be honest. I'm really sorry that I was not able to make videos in a more regular basis. It's just that this month has not been particularly good for me in a mental way. I've lost someone that I loved, and it's really hurting me. It's really lingering in the back of my mind. I'm not able to focus, and part of the reason is why I've made so many mistakes rebuilding the engine, and I had to do it all over again so many times. And it was just excruciating, man. So I feel a lot better right now, but it will still take me some time to recover completely and move on with my life. So I'm really sorry for that. I hope you guys can understand. But with that said, everything else is fine, and I'm still very excited for this build because I love this motorcycle. It keeps me happy. Every time I rev it, I'm smiling, year to year. So I hope you guys kind of like this different kind of setup. I usually don't record videos like this. This is just my work PC. I'll just use it to edit, and voice over, add music and stuff. But this is the first time I'm doing something like this. If you like this kind of videos, let me know on the comment section down below. I'll probably try and make more such videos. With that said, thanks so much for watching. Again, the engine build video is coming soon. I think you guys are gonna love it if you guys like these RX things. So thanks a lot for watching. Do subscribe to this channel. You're most welcome to pour in your video suggestions, video requests. I shall put in my best efforts to get it done for you guys. With that said, keep the blue smoke alive. Pratty Biker signing off. Have a wonderful day.